Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to take a screenshot without a button on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, in cases where the physical buttons on the device are not functioning correctly or are damaged, knowing how to take a screenshot without buttons ensures that users can still capture important information from the screen. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the process, navigate to the settings menu on your device. Okay, and scroll down. So select the accessibility option. Within this section, choose the interaction and dexterity menu and proceed to activate the assistant menu by clicking on allow. Okay, once the accessibility button becomes visible, tap on it and then select the screenshot tool to capture screenshot without using physical buttons. Okay, as for the second method, access the control center and click on the pencil icon to add the screenshot tool. Next, select edit under the desired page. Locate the screenshot tool here and tap on it to add it to the control center. After successfully adding the tool, you can easily capture screenshot by accessing the control center and tapping on the take screenshot option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to take screenshot without button on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.